9:16 in Vernon, Alabama at Durham's Pharmacy, the waxing crescent moon on the western horizon once again. We are looking at a great evening. What a great day we had. There's the setting sun from Louisville, Mississippi. If you look closely, there's a little bit of haze there on the horizon. Well, what is that? Would you believe that we have fires burning out here across Oregon, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, and some of that smoke has actually arrived in our area. It's come on all the way down from the northwestern part of the country with those upper level winds, so we have seen a little bit of smoky haze in the area today. Pretty subtle in nature, but it's been out there. You can see the Hurricane Dorian over there along the eastern seaboard. For us, we have a couple of fronts back to the northwest, one of which will slip through over the next 12 hours, but they will have little to no impact on our weather, so think sunny and hot weather going forward. Your Thursday, sunny and 72 more or less at 7 o'clock. Back into the low 90s in many spots. The one thing that will be a little bit different tomorrow will be winds from the northwest at about 10 to 15. So that will stir things up a little bit, but we are still looking at warm temperatures. Lower 90s in many spots around here. A little bit cooler in Memphis at 88, but if you go south, 95 in Jackson, 99 in Mobile. It is going to be a warm and sunny day in most spots in the southeast. I say most because we have Hurricane Dorian. This is the current situation. Right along the shoreline of South Carolina and Georgia, we are looking at some gusty winds, but the strongest wind is just offshore around that eye, and this is still a Category 2 storm. There are some signs that this thing could actually go up to a Category 3 here with a few more minutes to go before the update comes on in. It's showing a little bit of organization here this evening. A pretty intense rainfall from eastern Georgia all the way through eastern South Carolina. There's Charleston, Wilmington. Some spots get 10 to 15 inches of rain in addition to all of that wind. So that system will continue tracking right along the Carolina coastline as we go throughout tomorrow and Friday before it goes out to sea. And then we're done with Dorian. It seems like it's been a storm that's been with us forever. For us, fair weather clouds in general for the next couple of days. If we do see some clouds, there goes that system. So no major organized weather for our area anytime soon. If anything, it's actually going to get hotter. Mid-90s for the weekend, plenty accordingly for those football games. And then mid to upper 90s, Scott, for a good chunk of next week.